Hi, my name is Jim Green. Ordinarily, I'm a gunsmith, but I split my time these days between driving trucks over the road and working in my shop. Today, I wanted to talk to you about some really good applications for QMaxx products in over-the-road trucks. Walk-around inspection for pre-trip before I take off on the road. I walk around my truck and I'm looking to check the tires, make sure the lights work, everything looks great, all the wiring's fine. But I also like to carry a can of the QMaxx with me. That way if I run across anything that needs lubrication, I can hit it right there on the spot. It's pretty handy to hang on to, and I really like these little nozzles built into the top. Here in Maine, you see we got a little bit of snow here still. And we're coming up into spring, so it's kind of the time of the year we're getting some snow and some rain and some warm weather. So you get a lot of moisture, a lot of humidity, and unfortunately, we get a little bit of rust on these trucks too. What I like to do is take some of this QMaxx Industrial and work it in my door locks. So just flip that little nozzle up right there. And what I like to do is take it and put it directly in the door lock itself. Okay, and then we'll open the door and come around to the other side here, and we'll put some right inside the door mechanism itself. Not too long ago up in Madawaska, right on the Canadian border with Maine, the snow's a lot deeper and it's a lot colder. It was, I think at one point about 18 below zero without the wind chill. I actually had the lock freeze and I was locked out of my truck. QMaxx took care of that for me. Actually, what QMaxx does, and the reason this stuff is worth its weight in gold, is because it's thin enough that it actually gets down. It's heavier than water. It penetrates all the way down to the metals, gets into the pores, gets into the cracks and crevices, pushes that water out, and then it actually forms a molecular bond with the metal. Now, the metal has a slight negative charge by nature, and the QMaxx has a slight positive charge by nature. So the two of them are actually bonded together through that electrical molecular charge. One more use that I have for QMaxx and the industrial formula right here is to protect my battery cables from corrosion. So I'll show you how I apply that. So what we'll do is we'll spray the terminals here on both sides. So what this is going to do is this is going to coat all the tops right here of these battery connections, and it's going to prevent sublimation. You're not going to have all those little flowery looking deposits of all that copper and other crud. So this takes care of that too. So another application that I like to use the QMaxx for is back here on my fifth wheel mechanism. To make sure that this is protected pretty well, give it a good spray all up underneath everything here. Then we're going to walk around the other side and take care of that over there. Like I said before about the QMaxx, all your metal has a slight negative charge. QMaxx has a slight positive charge. So even with all this rain, all this wet and moisture on here, the QMaxx is thin enough, it's going to penetrate all the way down to the surface of the metal. It's going to push all the moisture out, all the humidity, anything like that's going to cause rust. Pushes it all the way from the metal, displaces it, and then it bonds to that metal. That's why I like to use it on my fifth wheel locking mechanism.
QMaxx patented water displacement technology pushes water away from surfaces, then bonds with metal atoms to create a durable barrier against rust and corrosion.